Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back, students. So today we are going to start our chapter 1 of book 5, that is understanding elementary shapes, and it is on page number 169. So first of all, before understanding this, we should know what is a polygon. Okay, so students, polygon is just a closed figure, okay, which is made up of a number of line segments. Okay, so what is polygon? It is a closed figure which is made up of a number of these line segments, and number of line segments should be either 3 or more than 3, because if I'll say that it has only 2 line segments, so it's not possible to draw a closed figure using only 2 line segments. Okay, so I'll say that polygon is a closed figure having 3 or more line segments. And there is one more thing, that the only requirement is not that it should be a closed figure, but that should be made up of a number of line segments. Okay, then we have what is a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral, it is a type of polygon, but in a quadrilateral the number of line segments are 4. Okay, so that is the difference between a quadrilateral and a polygon. That is, quadrilateral is also a polygon, but the number of sides line segments, they are 4, just like this. Okay, so this was about polygon and quadrilateral. Then there is one more concept, that is the regular polygon. So the regular polygon is that polygon in which the sides and the angles, they are equal. Okay, then if I'll tell you about a regular pentagon, so that means the 5 sides. A pentagon is made up of 5 sides. Okay, so all the 5 sides will be equal and the 5 angles will also be equal. Okay, now we have the concept of sides, vertices and diagonals. See, this is a pentagon. Why? Because it is having 5 sides. And the vertice means the corner, or where the angle is formed. So the vertices are A, B, C, D and E. Or vertex is a point where the sides are meeting, the adjacent sides are meeting. So what is an adjacent side? Okay, firstly you should know what about sides. See, side is this. First side is AB, then we have BC, then we have CD, then we have DE, and then we have EA. So these are the sides. Angles are angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E, and the vertices are A, B, C, D and E. Now we have the concept of adjacent side. So what is an adjacent side? कोई भी दो sides को हम adjacent तब बताते हैं when we are having a common point there. Just like this, AB and AE. A is the common point between these two, so A will be the adjacent. These two will be the adjacent sides. But if I'll talk about BC and the ED, these are not adjacent sides because they are not having any common point between them. In the same case, the adjacent angles will be like this. B and C are the adjacent angles. B and A, they are also adjacent angles. Okay, now we have the concept of diagonal. So what is a diagonal? See, diagonal is a line which is meeting the opposite vertices. Okay, that is a diagonal which is meeting the two adjacent vertices or the opposite vertices. Opposite नहीं, non adjacent हम बता सकते हैं. Okay, see, if I'll tell you about this, see कौन कौन सा इसमें polygon है. दिस इज अ पॉलीगन, है ना. इसमें ये पॉलीगन नहीं है, क्यों? क्योंकि लाइन सेगमेंट्स नहीं है, इसमें लाइन सेगमेंट्स नहीं है. ओके, नाउ वी हैव द कंसेप्ट ऑफ ट्राइंगल. सो व्हाट इज अ ट्राइंगल? ट्राइंगल इज अ 3-sided क्लोज्ड फिगर. ओके, ये एक 3-sided क्लोज्ड फिगर है एंड इट इज अ पॉलीगन बिकॉज द बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ पॉलीगन इज दैट इट शुड हैव अ क्लोज्ड फिगर which is it is having, and the number of line segments should be either 3 or more than 3, and it is having 3 line segments. So if I'll tell me about the sides. The sides will be AB, BC and CE, and the angles will be angle A, angle B and angle C. And there is one more property of triangle, that is the sum of all the angles is 180 degrees. I don't know the individual angle measurement, but I know that the angles, the sum of them will be 180. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be 180 degrees. Now there is one more concept about the interior region, exterior and on the boundary. So the interior region is that which is inside the triangle. Okay, just like this. Interior of a triangle will be those points that are lying inside that triangle, and similarly external, as the name suggests itself, it is those points. These are those points that are present outside the triangle, and on the boundary is that is in the boundary, that is on these outer boundaries like A, Z, C, Y, B, X. Okay, so it was all about the theory part. Now let's move to this. It's exercise 12A, and the question is name the following triangles. Okay, so the triangles, what is the name of this triangle? It will be triangle ABC. Okay, it will, then the second one will be triangle DEF, third one will be triangle PQR, and the fourth one will be triangle XYZ. And I can write it like this: triangle ABC. This is the notation for the triangle. Okay, so I will write it like this, and here it will be triangle DEF. Okay, in this way. Now the question number second is name the sides. The first side is being given, so this in the second question the sides will be like this. Side, the first is DE is a side, EF is a side, FD is a side. Okay, just like this. Then we have question number 3. These two you can do on your own. Okay, I am just doing this one part. Now the third is name the angles. So इसके angle हमें बताने हैं. So the angle is angle D, angle E and angle F. So I will write angle D, angle E, angle F. और सी, अभी एंगल डी पे बन रहा है तो हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं एंगल EDF, बिकॉज जहाँ पे एंगल बनता है उसको हमें हमेशा बीच में रखना है. इन दिस केस द एंगल विल बी एट एंगल DEF, एंड इन दिस केस आई विल राइट द एंगल एट एंगल EF एंड D. सो इन दिस केस यहाँ पे भी एंगल P, एंगल Q, एंगल R आ सकता है, या ऐसे आ सकता है QPR, PQR, QRP. ओके, जस्ट लाइक दिस. Now we have question number 4, that is the number of triangles हमें लिखनी है. अगर हम इसकी बात करें, see the number of triangles हम देखते हैं. First triangle will be ABD, then we have ADC, and the final one will be triangle ABC. अभी हमें देखना है बस triangle होनी चाहिए, बड़ी छोटी that's not the case. Similarly in this case the first triangle will be triangle ABC, then it will be triangle ACD, then angle ADE, then it will be triangle ABD, then triangle ACE, and finally the triangle ABE. Okay, now the question number 5 is find the number of triangles in each figure. इसमें तो एक है, I'll write 1. अब इसकी बात करते हैं. First is this one, then we have this 4, तो बिल्कुल हमें दिख रही है ना 4, right? 4 के बाद the final one will be this one 5, isn't it? Similarly इन दो में भी आप आराम से निकाल सकते हैं. Then the question number 6 is name the points in the interior region. तो इसके इंटीरियर में कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स हैं? E and C, and the point that lie on X, Y, Z. Those are the X, A, Y, B, Z, and belong to the exterior में है F and D, right? Okay, now the points that belong to this in triangular region. तो वो these are triangle region में वही पॉइंट्स होते हैं, दैट आर इंटीरियर रीजन में जो पॉइंट्स होते हैं. ओके, देन वी हैव दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, दैट इज मार्क 3 पॉइंट्स PQR ऑन ABC. मतलब ABC के ऊपर हमें PQR मार्क है, तो हम यहाँ P यहाँ पे कर देंगे, Q यहाँ पे, R यहाँ पे. तो यहाँ पे है ऑन द एक्सटीरियर पे करना है. कौन से पॉइंट? ABC, तो हम बाहर कर देंगे ABC, एंड इन दिस केस इंटीरियर में करना है तो तीनों यहाँ अंदर कर देंगे, K, L एंड M. Then we have question number 8, that is name all the 3 sides of a triangle. So it is very simple. It is PQ, QR and RP. That's all for today. Our first exercise is completed.